What's up, guys? I'll be replacing the subframe on an 07 GSXR 600. This is why we'll be replacing the subframe. See that guy? It's all messed up. Previous owner likes to sell bikes with messed up holes and bolts inside of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace this whole piece. This one is not brand new, but it is off a used one, but new to me, and it's in good shape, so we'll go ahead and just swap them out. So I'm not too sure what I'm doing. I haven't looked this up on YouTube or anything. This is my first bike as well, but I believe just take that one out, those two out, change these to the other one, and this guy on the other side, which would look like that. Other than that, I think it's pretty easy, but we're about to find out. So yeah. And then for the back, I just pushed it far back. I didn't really take it off. It's just out the way. The pieces are out. I just took off these two and this side, and they both fell off. So now I'm just gonna take this off and this one off and put it back together. The bike's a mess. It's kind of just hanging there. It was a little bit more than what I expected, but I put it back together and have it all brand new. So got this one on. Everything's loose, but put these two bolts in first, then connected this little frame piece. So now I have like some stabilization. I'll fix that right here, put the other side on, and just connect the bottom two right here. Connect those bottom two, and then connect the top, and we should be good. Alrighty, guys. So, got both of them back on. They're still loose. I gotta tighten that. These guys, I put the pin back in the middle. Got this guy in. There's that pin. Got these back on. They're all still loose. I gotta tighten them up. I got the bottom in. Well, we can't see anymore, but the bottom's in there too. I'm just gonna put that battery back. Put these two back in and adjust all this stuff right here, and we're good to go. Everything is back to normal. Everything's tight. No more stripped screws or broken bolts. So now I can put my seat on and actually screw it down along with the fairings on the sides of the gas tank. There she is. Now it's all tight and not loose. No more loosiness. I like it. I could have left it alone and made some custom stuff, but I feel like doing this was a lot better, in my opinion, just because I do like the OEM type style things instead of making everything all dumb just to make it work, you know. Could have also used a tab and die set if the other side wasn't all messed up. This side I could have had one on there, but I prefer both. I'm just OCD. So yeah, but that's the subframe. Remove and install.